In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a circle in Davinci Resolve. So let's jump right into this video. So let's go in Fusion. And now we have to, for this to create a circle, we need a shape 3D and we need a render 3D. And now let's go in shape 3D. Let's go here in shape and make sure you select your torus. And now we go to transform and here write 90 degrees. Now we have to go to render and select shape, go to control, and here we have to decrease radius and section. Perfect. Now we have a circle, but wait, we can also make the circle look better by just increasing subdivisions. Now looks much better. We can add some transform and now we can move our circle. And now you can do what you want, because the video of today is just to show you how to create a circle. Now you can do what you want with the circle. You create a lot of stuff. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. Take care.